Welcome to this demonstration of how to complete your COVID-19 specimen self-collection. After completing your self-collection, you'll return it to a FedEx drop box. The package needs to be in the drop box before 3 p.m. and it cannot be dropped off on Saturday or Sunday. Before starting your self-collection, find your nearest Dropbox location using the link on the screen. When you're ready to begin, start by opening the kit and laying all the materials on a clean surface. Locate and sign the test requisition. Verify your name and birth date are correct, and call 1-855-332-2533 if anything is incorrect. Complete the date and time collected lines on the test requisition. Your sample may be rejected if you fail to complete date and time on the requisition. Wash and dry your hands. Peel off the label with your name and date of birth on it from the bottom of the test requisition and place it on the tube. Remove the swab from the package and do not touch the tip of the swab. Open the specimen tube, holding it in one hand and the swab in the other hand. Do not spill or drink the liquid. Insert the swab into one nostril, about 1 inch. Rotate the swab in a circular motion around the entire inside edge of the nostril. Do this 2 times, and then keep it in place for 15 seconds. Repeat the same process in the other nostril using the same swab. Insert the swab into the tube, tip first, until it reaches the bottom. The tip of the swab will be in the liquid. Break the swab handle against the side of the tube at the perforated break point. Screw the cap tightly onto the tube so no fluid leaks from it, and place it in the bag. Seal the bag. Important: do not remove the desiccant or white sheet from the bag. Place the collection bag and test requisition in the box and close the lid. Place the box into the white return shipping bag, seal it, and apply the FedEx label to the outside of the bag. Do not cover the UN 3373 marking. Drop the postage-paid FedEx return bag at a drop box location the same day you collect it, before 3 p.m. Do not drop your specimen package in a drop box on a Saturday or Sunday. Thank you for completing your COVID-19 self-collection. If you have any questions, please call 1-855-332-2533.